Hey folks, it's been a while, hope you're all well. I've got a bit behind on these videos, but I'm trying to catch up desperately. So some of these may have a few sort of weeks gap within one video, but you know, such is life, things take over. Going to be doing some late sowing, some continued sowing as well. And we had a little Brucey bonus with some of the winter veg. We're still harvesting some chard and some sprouting broccoli, and we're also looking at getting the cold frame together, using that, take some of the seeds from outside into the cold frame, and then we're looking at the garden in general after that. Got the curry plant here. Oh, just makes me hungry. So look at this for a little seed stash. All the stuff I got last season. Let's hope some of it germinates. So what have we actually got? We got a shitload of marigolds. What else have we got? More marigolds. More marigolds. Cannellini beans, echinacea, some giant thistle, more giant thistle, more giant thistle. Yeah, not a wide selection, but lots of it. Oh, and lupins. So we're going to try and get some of these lupins out. They're very dry. Obviously overwintered in here, and it can get very hot in here. I think it's just randomly cracking them all open and then trying to separate the seeds afterwards. Again, like a lot of my experiments, I don't know if these will germinate or not. but it's always good to find out. That sort of thing. Hopefully they'll germinate. Right, I'm going to need my glasses for this. Got some echinacea here, and I'm dividing this up into two because I haven't got enough trays really. So it doesn't help doing this when there's a blowing wind. Right, that should be enough. Oh, just maybe a couple this corner. That should be enough of that for now. I can do some more later on. Now on the other side, bear with me, marigolds. And I have a few. Oh, this wind! Fucking bastard. Bollocks. Hey ho. Such is life. Look, there's one head there, and I've just pinched the whole head of seeds out of that. That's just one head. Thing is, I know they're common, and probably not everyone's favourite, but the wildlife love them. The bees love them. Right. If you can see that, bring the camera in a bit. So we've got echinacea that side, marigold that side. Bit of grit. A, to hold the moisture in, and B, so this friggin' wind doesn't blow them away. There was no wind this morning, and suddenly out of nowhere, just when you want to do something. That's life, eh? Now, will I remember echinacea marigolds? But I suppose when they sprout you'll know, won't you? Or do they look the same? Right. Oh, this wind. It keeps swirling around. There's like a little eddy in this cove here. It sort of comes in, throws everything around, then buggers off. Right, I'm going to do some squash now in some of these pods. Alright, move some of this away. We like our squash, so hopefully, how many have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Right. And in these last 4 pods, I'm going to put some sweet corn. So I've got the 2 sweet corn I've put in there, and I'm going to use some of these sweet peas, I think. That I saved from last year. Oh bugger, that's one gone. They ping out like a bloody spring. 1, 2 in each pod I think we can do. Right, so there's all lupins there, sweet peas, sweet corn, squash, and undecided. And finally, cannellini beans. And I just forgot this as well, which is the dahlia from last year. So we'll put that in. I've checked all the bulbous bits and nothing is rotten, so because if they are, it's best to cut those off. Never let me near a garden centre. We've repotted the jasmine because it was struggling a bit in the smaller pot. It's obviously sharing a pot with a hollyhock as well, but slightly bigger capacity, a bit more water, and hopefully it will come back. Catch it. Now to get rid of this. Marigolds in, a bit thick, but I can thin them out. So I'm going to go in my little outbuilding for the sign off today. I've been in here for a while. Yeah, needs the door open, a bit musty. Anyway, thanks for joining us again. Sorry for the delay in things. As I say, life takes over. Hopefully I'll have another few updates to bring us up to date. But some of this may be 2 or 3 weeks old. Hope you're all doing well. Keep talking about gardening. Keep talking about nature. Go out and do what makes you happy. We'll catch you next time.